Hello friends, hi, I'm Dr. Nivedita Patil, an eye surgeon from Mumbai. I'm currently in Nainital for Suma Varughese's Writers Retreat with another 7 to 8 aspiring authors. I'm very fortunate to be here with Suma, who's been an inspiration and motivation for me to take up writing. I've been absolutely an amateur writer. My journey with Suma started a year and a half back, and she has been the perfect mentor that I have been looking for. She has an eye for the strengths and the weaknesses of her participants, and she individually inculcates the art of writing in each one of us from the heart. Her retreats and her workshops are par excellence, and the nuances she brings to her workshops is something which really attracts me to them with each passing year. I'm really fortunate that I've been able to start my work on the book that I have been wanting to write, and in this beautiful place, under her mentorship, I've at least made a start towards it. I really recommend that people who really want to take up writing and want to hone new skills should definitely take up Suma's workshop in the future. Thank you.